Welcome back. In today's video, as you can see by the title, I'll be trying to explore myself. I'll be trying to tell you and show you guys how to get yourself one of this. It's easy and simple. It's just that you need to be at least 18 years old, and for my Instagram will be down right here. I just opened up my Instagram recently, and I feel like if you guys follow me over there, we can chat back and forth and get this. So first, here's my screen. So first, what you need to do is you go here up or open up your what do you call it? Your Chrome, whatever you Google, whatever you call it, and once you come up here, you just need to search business. It's gonna be a business manager. It's gonna be business snapchat.com, and once you do that, and this gonna pop up right here. All right, so first of all, they won't bring up like this, but it's gonna bring you up to log in with your Snapchat. So once you log in with your Snapchat, I don't want to show too much of this because I don't want to get my phone number leaked. So it's gonna show you to log in. So once you log in, just click where it says business up here on top, and then you just need to scroll on the bottom. Keep on scrolling and click where this says public profile. Where is the star at? Like on the bottom of the right, where it says creator marketplace, and then the second one on the bottom. So click where they say the public profile. But once you click there, if you don't have it, they'll bring up you have to create one. You can create one here too, but I cannot create one right now because I already have one. As you can see, this man right here, junk. You can create one if you already have it. As you can see, if you click create, they will show you like this, of course. And yeah, basically this is mine. And once you click create, you'll see like this. I don't want to show too much, but you'll see like this. And then yeah, boom. And then after that, you're gonna move on your Snapchat. And then right is gonna be right here, and this right here is mine, by the way. And the right is gonna be right here. And boom, that's it. That's how you can get a public profile. If it doesn't work, please comment down below, or follow my Instagram. The link will be in the description. Follow my Instagram, and I'll follow you back. And we can text back and forth if you guys need help, and I'll help you for real. Not gonna lie. That's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, I'll catch you guys next one. Make sure if you